Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox jacket. First, you'll need to download the official Roblox shirt template, which is crucial for proper placement on your avatar. Next, select your preferred image editing software, such as GIMP, Paint, Net, or even an online tool like Pixlr. These programs will be your canvas for creativity. Finally, remember to save your completed design as a PNG or JPG file, ready for the next steps. Now, let's dive into the design process. Open the downloaded template in your image editing software. This template acts as a guide, showing you exactly where your design will appear on the avatar's torso and arms. Get creative with colors, patterns, and any unique graphics you wish to add. Remember to keep the template's dimensions, usually 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall, to ensure a perfect fit. Once your jacket design is complete and saved, it's time to bring it into Roblox. Head to the Roblox website and click on the Create tab. From there, select Avatar Items, then Classics, and finally choose Shirt from the options. You will then upload your carefully crafted image. Be aware that there is a small upload fee of 10 Robux for each item you submit. After uploading, your jacket will undergo a moderation review, which typically takes a few minutes. Once approved, you can access your item in the Creator dashboard to configure its settings. Give your jacket a catchy name and a clear description. Finally, set a price in Robux to make your creation available for purchase on the Roblox marketplace, allowing other players to wear your unique design.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.